Your digital documents could be a legal time bomb if they're not accessible. Seriously, things like PDFs, Word docs, and PowerPoint slides need to work for everyone, including millions using assistive tech. This isn't just a nice to have. Laws like the ADA and Section 508 mean business, and lawsuits can cost you big time. Think your employee handbook or marketing PDF is fine? If it's not accessible, it's a risk. WCAG guidelines are key. Content must be perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. For PDFs, this means proper tags, a logical structure, and actually useful alt text for images, not just picture. And forms? They need to be keyboard friendly. With Word, start accessible. Use heading styles. H1, then H2, H3, no skipping. Write descriptive alt text that tells people what an image means. Mark purely decorative images so screen readers skip them. And make your links say what they do, not just click here. PowerPoints need unique slide titles. Check that reading order makes sense for screen readers. Use good color contrast. And just like Word, alt text is crucial. Oh, and go easy on those wild animations. Automated tools are great for a first pass. They'll catch some stuff. But they can't tell if your alt text is actually good or if the structure makes sense. You still need a human to check the real user experience. The best move? Build accessibility in from the start. Train your team. It's way easier and cheaper than fixing a mess later. Making your docs accessible isn't just about avoiding lawsuits. It's about making sure everyone can get your message. It's about real inclusion.